ye be ma wo entoma fita na oni oba nada ye pese hu se wa virgin na Bible na no kire me say na Joseph wale Mary no ne na ba cho Joseph na ne be na ewu Joseph ti won ko hwa Mary nyam obi say Mary say Mary e ba ne say na nyin say nya de de ba to so e
na no Joseph on party ne
Joseph oyo ni party ne
na obeso ogun ni ma se dwa monti
then obeso be gu ni mu ase obi say Mary e ba say na nyin say wa ko bo adwaman enti no mpeso be gu Mary ni mu ase enti no
oboti so be ja kukwem
oye na adwen say okojai Mary e wo kukwem
na ojuju bo ne hu
enti Joseph to odwen adwen na Joseph odwen Joseph bisa Mary say Mary hwan na nyem no efi Mary anu a embra nadwo e na Nyankopon na nyem me e na Joseph say we dey entaso enti odwendwen we num ho no hwe
you go for you chen dai mu
e na Nyankopon suma bofo ko Joseph nchen wo dai mu say Joseph David ba
men so be fa you na ria ba wo chen
oh men suro say wo be fa Mary e de na ba wo chen
na de onyem no
e ma bu mfu na de onyem no be pa cho ha ni Nyankopon mistake Nyankopon no mi so ba de wo kunu a wo be nyem na ko bodi kuna mane ansa. That means God made a mistake. Open crack say Messiah concept no e start wadebo. Na che say Nyankopon ba bebo Adam no. Onim say ya de Adam be ye bone. O bebo bonsam no. Nyankopon say bonsam be da nipa. E me nipa ye bone. It doesn't make sense. One thing, right from the Garden of Eden, I can disprove religion one time. Ya see aduane esi wo no. Na ye papa ene bone hu nimde adua. Sa abra no Adam no wo papa ne bone hu nimde anoni sa nimde no. Say Adam no name good and evil. And a good and evil anymore. That means Adam was like a baby. Baby a own him papa ne bone. Baby a own him papa ne bone. Ordinance koka ade no say na papa odifo. Na Adam nim bone o te sa bofra. Now akoti dua be de jeje no. Religion or the logic e check here e be disprove no. Ma member Messiah asem no so. Ya yet Ghana ha. They say Jesus ya Messiah. Ya come na so o say Orthodox Jews no. Omo say Jesus ya Messiah. Omo no me the real Jews ya ka Jewfo a Orthodox fo no omo na concept na yo omo de ana say akwa na enyo no wona wo si Ghana say ono Jewish Bible na ni Tanakh any New Testament bi animo New bi anim dabi Old Testament nko any Hebrew no e oba akwa Hebrew wa na we ni wa ha English ni wa ha any
akwese Quran
omo de animi na wo kura New Testament ni King James ni Good ni NIV wo so no ya Messiah. Okay, yen check here dey. Jesus is Messiah, magiatum. Why na born nesu? Enya John the Baptist. Enya John. John onye prophet. Some say John the Baptist cry Elijah. Ana John no cry Elijah no. Ye come deep Jesus with all due respect we didn't draw. Jesus didn't draw. Ya kwa check it. Ya kwa check ho. Aha. Okay, say omo concept na say e was say Elijah ba. Na Elijah be sie kwan e de ma Messiah no. And in New Testament, say John the Baptist and Elijah. What they shall give you? Many printing press, me be quote to Bible. If there is a problem with the Bible, blame your Bible, not me. Any way, Matthew chapter 11, verse 12. Come on.
Matthew 11, 12.
Matthew 11, verse 12.
Was he if you suppose you verse?
And Jesus na kasawa. Jesus say a free John the Baptist abereso. Edi besi and then you know Jesus abereso. Edi besi ne.
What your so I didn't want you any verse.
Yeah, osoro ahindi no wade any bereso.
Na mo de benefit in ye so.
Omo mani abrefa na ni die so.
Na edifo nyina.
O se edifo nyina.
Ani emane hyenkom.
Ani emane hyenkom. Ebesi John the Baptist so.
Na some person mo gia.
Enti anu Jesus na kasawa. Jesus say some person mo gia.
We ni Elia Oba no.
John the Baptist ono ni Elijah Oba no. Enti Jesus say John the Baptist why? Oh, Jesus or say John the Baptist say Elijah. Anamebwa. Yenko bi so no John say John, who Elijah na. John 1:19. Jesus said John the Baptist say Elijah. Yenko bisa because Jew for no more try Messiah. One say I am speaking like a Christian. My father said my Jia to me say Jesus by. Yen check the story no. Look at the problem. Kokain John 1:19.
Was it you want adance again?
John the Baptist adance again.
Na Judah for smart of war.
Jew for na try Messiah. And no smart asofo.
If Jerusalem say.
Any Levi for every Jerusalem say.
Obebisan say.
Mun konko bisa John the Baptist say. John the Baptist. Yeah, per Messiah. Enti wo John, wo ye hwan?
Na when you hear adance here.
Mo Bible say we need John the Baptist adance here.
Na opem kan.
John the Baptist epe mu kan. Na wansane. Na che say John the Baptist kan dokre. Enye ntro no obedi. Jesus say John the Baptist or Elijah. Munti ono John e kan ma me.
Na opem kan say.
John the Baptist pay mu kan say.
Enye many Christo no.
Me menye Messiah no. Eye no kre. John the Baptist or Messiah. So
na obisan say.
And Jew for the bisa John the Baptist say.
Na hwane wo.
And John the Baptist o Messiah. Hwan ne wo?
Woni Elia.
Woni Elijah ana.
Na o say.
And John say.
Enye me no.
Enye me no.
Woni odifo no.
Woni odifo no.
Na obu ase.
Ena obu ase. Me nyodifo. John is onye odifo. Wanye Elijah. Jesus and so say John the Baptist say Elijah. A Christopher. Mon check verses. Na mo tutu a.
Na is one me say Yesu adin tro ho.
On Yesu asam na odiko emremu a wedi ntro. Another one. Why na bo Jesus Yesu? Eye John the Baptist. Why no hunu say ebuburo efiri soro ba? Eye na a Christopher adwen. Omo hwe Jesus from na. Say the ebuburo ne ba no. Omo ka say di peg na ne hu. Eye John the Baptist nkwa ne hu. John 1:35 can you remember them?
John 1:29.
Kadi aba verse 29 29.
Na ade chi
enti ade chi no.
Yohane ehun Yesu se oba ne nchen.
John the Baptist ebo esu eno hu Jesus bra Jesus Yahshua eba ne nchen. Ena John the Baptist ka say
Onyankopon adwama.
Israel fue mo hwe Nyankopon dwan. Obeyi bone akọ no. There is a problem with this verse. Jesus eba beyi bone akọ. But Jesus wa bewu. Mo se wa sole okọ bone no ekọ anada so te ho. Cause 90 wa me yedwuma bia say Yesu ye deka ena Yesu aba betua bone ne ka
Say men's gold for.
say men's gold for na me se metua men's gold ka metua wo bia ka me pacho men's gold deka bio Yesu etua bone ka afa na bone waji IGP kura wa so dem ye di bone kura wa so dem ka check we ashawola ken ka ba bone amba bam
na wodi de o me ka won ho say
eye we ni dia mean John the Baptist ne kan wo Jesus ho say
obema bi edi mechi ba
obema bi di mechi na che say Israel for kra ni Jesus John the Baptist ena adore anamebwa ete ye John enu mu asem po na ma Israel for hu say o Jesus wa ba oye Messiah kan ye say
obema bi edi mechi ba
John the Baptist say me see obema bi di mechi ba
wa san me ho
wa san me ho
e se odi menim kan
efri say onu odi menim kan
na me di anka menim no
me John the Baptist anka say nipa no anka menim no
na se obi na che Israel ti
say de be ye beyi na kire Israel ti
ena ba me bo esusu
ena me John me bo esu wonsuo mu
na Yohane edi adan say
ena tia o Kristo ni bientie ena John the Baptist di adanse ye say
me hu no say e sane e fi esoro sane
me John me hu Nyankopon hu keso no nkwa na hu me hu Nyankopon hu say e sane fi wo soro say buburo
Robert na so
na be see Jesus so nti ba chaw esoro bie na eni bi ka say we ni me double so me no John say ono nkwa na wote ne ba ma me land me point na time be na dia man because my land here me point ni make sense nti last verse ni Luke 7:11 who John the Baptist or see onim Jesus eno kra ya another lie but John the Baptist enye ne cousin ni Jesus almost say yefunu mu kra no onim no yefunu mu mpo ono John Bible say John ko tu Jesus o yefunu mu Africa ha
Luke 7:11
ono John the Baptist ono see Jesus we hu say sure bi na Jesus Nyankopon ba oye Messiah tie ono John no Kristo ni bia nwe ho kan
na eba se ade chi no
eba se ade chi no
wo kokro bi a ofin nemu
Jesus ni nesuafo kokro bi ayefa ni nemu
na nesuafo ni kopi ene koye
ene nesuafo ni nkrofo bebre ene ne koy
na oba kro no pnechi no
na Jesus ben kro na pnechi no hwe
na oso obi a wu
na yeso abofra bi a wawu
a ye na ba ko efi
aha na obi entie mu amudi miracles echi no na maame no ne baba akopɛ wawu yɛde ne ba to aso
na oba ni kuna
na oba no oyokunafo
na komo kopi e kana
na kromofo bebre ene oba no nenam
na ewade ehu oba
enti abira Jesus ohu maame na ne ba na egu no eye Jesus mobo
na o ka chense
ene Jesus e ka kire ne se
esu
maame mensu
na oba be ka esu na ka no
ene Jesus de ne nsa ka efunu daka no
na wana osun no ejinai
omo mo so adaka di ginai
na o ka se
ene o ka se abrantie
me so sorry
me se o se sole
no fo sorry etna
ena owufo no sole ena we Yesu enya ne owufo anka de pa ene eto aso e
na ofiase kasa
ena abofra na wewu no ofiase kasa
na ode no mane na
ene ye de abofra na ema ne maame
na ehu ka wo nyina
enti nkrofo ne gina hu se Jesus enya ne owufo no ehu kase ka wo
o yunyanko pa yes
ene omu yi Yankopon Yahweh ayese
odifo kase so yi
odifo kase bi asole wo yemu
onyankopon aba
Onyankopon aba
hwe
behwe ne man
na wase etre Judea nyina
miracle ya Jesus ye etre wo Judea nyina
ni asase twa ho ehye nyina
ene asase etwa hye nyina so
na Yohane esua wasna Yohane esuafo
me ba cha no bi enti miracle na Jesus ya ye no John the Baptist ni disciples ni bi hu yi ena John the Baptist esuafo
ka woni na ho asem chile no
omo ko ka kire John the Baptist say John the Baptist ye Jesus na wo ka say wo ye Messiah no wanya ne owufo me ba cha say wo na ye John the Baptist ena what say Jesus or ye miracles na wo de fiase na wo ti aba cha we ni John the Baptist still say Jesus I miracle no hwe de John be ka kan ye say den
Yohane efre esuafo mienu
enti John the Baptist still say Jesus enya ne wufu or ye miracles no ena John esoma ne suafo mienu
na osom ko ade nchen
ena osom ko Jesus nchen say
one de oba no
munko bi say Jesus say me John the Baptist me say eye onu Jesus onu ni Messiah na oba no
wana say encho foforo
ana ye ntwen foforo ba so me bo nesu onu John wo bo Jesus yesu o ti miracle wada to de enti a John that me ka kire me me common sense family for Jesus was a Yashua yes Shiana or bet Gia send you about Quaka match of vessel
Now you two.
now you two
Yes. But I see the bridge. I'm not the trip. Doctor, measures no so. Can say? Anna Martina say the bro me patch yourself a pen, not for paper, because some airban. I know yes. Say me try to say na some no. Na me dey by the teacher. WhatsApp line 0552 22 53 14 0552 22 53 14. Call the bar. Let me I can ni na e dey amount e ofiano. I me go so fight ko. Na me go tie nkomo ba ko you be na afiye nto so. Suffer.
Yes, sir.
I'm saying, what here the real common say upon me, Yashua or the Messiah, and that's a young.
Oh, Yashua, the Messiah.
Converso,
Or no one Messiah. Now, the Papa me who then said, Kasai said, in some no con, me fan sempa na misumeti for.
Usu the metal for.
Yes, and they did for. So, be a yakuma pana when ya agree. When you Bema Abraham say, common sense. Sometimes I dare very common, and yet just think of it. I dare common. Ufaha, and yet valuable, and yet sense is very, very, very. You got the sense, and yet that common.
Ratty, I say, Pastor, I say, still pastors are not narrating. Pastors are narrating stories. Forget about the Israel Constitution and let us find our real motherland.
Wow, Ratty, yes, that is your mindset. In America, say anything that is common, it is not valuable. And yet, I'm putting this in the sense that look at something like gold, common. So when we talk of sense, trying to say, yeah, money, and share friend of sense, no, not. So when we say common sense, we have something we have to put across that same thing. Now, me can't say much. I say. When you start preaching Yahshua, Yahweh, it is a very best thing. When you credit be one, it is good, Abraham, very good. But let's face this fact here. The Bible, in the first place. Once I did said the topic we are taking today, we should have ended last week's program because related to it, mechanics to the sense. Onyankopon no boss oni asase through that no ma Bible buy it means some biara yen ye befo so ye hunu say obi wo ho aye fa Onyankopon is based on the Bible say nya tire yi a obi ani wo betimi abo obi din ato bi say Onyankopon enam so ne be no obi afa no Jesus Christ na say Yahshua Amashia a ye ka say obaya na so wamma ni ame kan say mu da ho enam Onyankopon boss oni asase nti say ye New Testament ndia okay ye fan show kakra the Tanakh no e ye for there Israel for there. Now Tanakh no that is the Old Testament. Say dia e ka obi a ye fe no Onyankopon ho asem. Say Tanakh ni ya e ka obi a ye fe no Onyankopon ho asem. Eti say ye nyina ye wo ha yi e na gidifo a ye tie nyina ba dia tum say Onyankopon bi baaye no yinkonfo bi na odi book bi mo ho a ye fe Tanakh ye fa Bible to chen ye fa ni Tanakh ye compare no ma Tanakh nim say bi o Bible mu a ni e fa nya djuma e no kra no ma Tanakh nim no e no na o Bible mba e old side no okay say sana tie dia e no Onyankopon bo so no bo asase no ono ne nyoma na eguso a ye di so a ye koi okay believe e na be me a kire say mazia no ba na so wama say me ti Onyankopon dia me gidi so ba ye because the book of Acts chapter 18 verse number 5 o can send wo o de 28 nansi now nyoka say pastors are telling stories no there's nobody under this sun obi no wo wie yase obeka asem bia ono na originate ye so ono no de ba ye obi a follow story
It say you see who said Yahshua no ono the Messiah na
can Bible
the pastor can Bible man
Acts chapter 18 verses 28
Acts chapter 18.
Verse now should be 18 or verse 5 Obia follow stories now the last time now we were reading something the letter from King Leopold the Ethiopia Akontonia the pastor that ni na a story a story Uda mama example book we Majedi media okay yan twa nua aba bibi dan kom efriva ade a wonyi ni fa anya o ma de
ɛne ɛhyɛ tonton
mpacho ye ton
Enya cross.
anya cross mini no anya cross
Enya cross. Enya me come say ya fa na ya ben ka cross. Enya cross. Enya cross. Na be woni enya bisa na cross.
It's magic. Baby, I'm making a point, sir. I'm making a point. Me that's what I can back and yes. Magic bag where it be am ko bia ekura me. Sana me nua Abraham so waje sa den adi. Ade a wonyum gide bia no ofanya wo. Ofanya wo. But ye trace ade no everybody. Egyptian symbols maybe. Kurus, bosom symbol no. Waje bi na da ko mu a. Then you have belief in that area. I have belief here. I'm proving to you. What does the Bible say? My belief says that
Acts 18:28.
what's it?
Ọsùnà nasẹm kan yìí dàfọ́ ní
Ọ̀nàsẹ̀m kan yìí dàfọ́ ní yàrá yàrá yìí.
wọ́n di gu wọ́n bẹ́ẹ̀ dùn.
Ẹ̀nà ọ̀dẹ̀ go wọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ dùn. Mẹ́tí ní sí yà.
Ọ̀nàm tìrọ̀sẹ̀m sùn kyerẹ́ pẹ́pẹ́ sẹ́.
Ọ̀nàm tìrọ̀sẹ̀m ló kyerẹ́ pẹ́pẹ́ sẹ́.
Yashua ní Kristo nù.
What's it?
Yashua ní Kristo.
Wọ́n yàgbọ́ tì mú. Ètì yà kọ́ Hebrew mu ọ̀bẹ máa ń hùn sẹ́ Yashua ọ̀nù ní Messiah. This is your question you ask me. Ọ̀nù Messiah. Na mi mana yẹ nyinaa etí ẹ̀fọ́ nyinaa yẹ wọ́n sẹ́.
obi so bɛka sɛ wo sɛ edu baabi na Israel fa na kasa na Jew fa no wo sɛ na ɔmo ngindi sɛ ɔno ne Messiah ade nti na ba nsa
Mi bá tọ́ ẹ̀yẹ simple. Nyansa emu odu. Wọ́n Onyankopɔn bisa asɛm ɛbrɛ nti ɔsɛ ade nti na sika wɔ kwasi ansɛm.
ɛsɛ ɔmo mo sika
Ti o ɔsɛ ade nti na sika wɔ ɔkwasi ansɛm. Na ɔde kɔtɔ nyansa. Wabra oniti. Question. Ade nti na abɛ sɛ ɔnyina adwe. Na oni balanda. That is the simple nti asɛm. Eti sɛ ɛba ne sɛ ɔba ne man mu na ɔma nyina ani a. Ade nti wɔn kasa wo gyina hɔ wo fie ɛnyɛ obi a na ne wo ka. Ɛna two ne sɛm a ɔde ba no ɔba no spiritual way na Onyankopɔn yi Israel fo no ɔde ɔmo nam physical eti ɔde honhom mu nsɛm ɛkasa no ɔmo nyi ni etu kan baby wɔ John chapter 12 1 verse 47 ɔkan sɛ me ɔsɛ me nsɛm a meka kyɛ ho nyi ni na ma nyi ani afa me ho because asɛm a meka no ɛno na ewu ma
na obi so bɛka sɛ sɛ Yeshua Nyankopɔn ba sɛ ne yɛ ka na sɛ ɔyɛ de Messiah na ɛne sɛ okita tumi yes na ade na ɔkasa with all tumi na okita ni nyinaa ɔkasa nkɔfo nyini
me pacho ɛna meka no ɔde ɔpɛ na ma sɛ nka ne tumi no ɔde hyɛ wo so a ɔde tumi ne hyɛ wo so a mpacho nka ɔbɛsɛ wiase nyinaa Abraham kɔpɛ na kyerɛ no ɔma kunu no a soja fo no ba ne nkyɛn no first time ɔfrɔ ɔmo bisa sɛ yɛhwɛ Yesu no ɔsemi ni de na si
ahana Peter iye
Dabi ɔmo nyinaa tete hwe fam
osa
yes ɔmo na tete hwe fam ɔmfa ne tumi no ɛnhyɛ no because ɔbaa with the purpose
na sɛ obie na no
BBC ɔde purpose ne bɛba purpose ɔde ba yɛ nti a ɔnhyɛ nipa so no ɛwɔ the book of Luke chapter 4 verse 16 purpose ɔba yɛ no nti ama bibia yɛ cool ɛnyɛ sɛ ɛyɛ bi a ɔde ne tumi no ba bɛhyɛ nipa so think about no Luke 4:16 umio
Luke 4:16
ɛbrɛ ne nti wɔn
wɔsɔ ɔba Nazareth a wɔyɛ no hɔ no na homeda
wo da bra 18
number 18
ɔsɛ dɛ
wɔsi Awurade honhom wɔ me so
na ɔka sɛ Awurade honhom wɔ me so
na 80 wasra me sɛ
mebɛka
asɛmpa no nkyɛn
dwuma a ɔbɛdi yɛ ni wasra me sɛ mebɛka ɔgyeɛ wanka sɛ yɛasoma me sɛ memra mbɛkye amanfoɔ memra mbɛkunkum amanfoɔ woka John 3 verse 17 a ɔsoma me sɛ mbɛgye nipa yɛnka sɛ mebɛbu ɔmɔta na mbɛsɛ wo enti sɛ ɔba na sɛ ne tumi no na hoɔde nyina kyire sɛ nipa nwu a na sɛ biribi ansɛ a ɛno nkyerɛ sɛ ɔwɔ tumi nti ɔmfa ne tumi no nhyɛ nipa so ade baako a ɛyɛ hu ne sɛ yɛfolo Onyankopɔn a ɔbɔɔ so ne asase yɛhwɛ ne kyerɛ akwan na me follow nsɛm bi a wɔn akɔba ne sɛ Ghana ɛwɔ man yɛwɔ yɛn bosom a ɛwɔ sɛ yɛsom na wɔn ɛyɛ hu yɛ bosom no yɛfrɛ ne sɛn because Ghana bosom no ɛyɔ me yɛfrɛ ne tɛtɛ ahenapa gamashi niamugiwe yɛ na edi hin wɔ the whole Greater Accra yɛn yɛ fie ɛna konyasi niamugiwe wɔn bosom a ɛwɔ hɔ no yɛ linki to mojawe abola patashi na before abɛkɔ so afie hɔ no nsɛm ɛkokɔ ɔkɔ so hɔ no ɛnya de ketewa ɛsono yɛ bosom ɛna ɛsoro akɔnɔde ɛsono kokufiri different iti bosom bɛ ne nkɔ so no bosom bɛ ne nkɔ so no
okay
yɛ bɛ baako ne aso no eto Onyankopɔn bɔ soro na ɔbɔ asase no ɔna yɛhwɛ n'akyiri akwa ɛna yɛhunu sɛ Israel Nyankopɔn no ɔna ɔbɔ soro na ɔbɔ asase ɔno na nkɔn wɔ ne mu ɔna ɔma nsuo tɔ ɔno na yɛdi n'akyi a yɛbɛnya ne yɛpɛ simple
medase ame fa message kakra ntwam na member evangelist am say the way a ɔyɛ wa ma nkɔ ne nkyɛn ne gya duma agya afeda okay medase Wesley, please. Tell the pastors that. Tell Pastor Ike that when he is saying it through the Bible, or say, oh, can Bible nasama, but can Bible masen. And found on the nan abosonsum. Now, and abosonsum crank abosonsum or Ghana, I say now, or did he say about this summer? And can you crash in? Yes, you know. We or say, Nana Koku, Koku not it. One shall one baby or different one number. Was right is under baby was it so let the pastors. Hey, Pastor Ike, and now go for also power. Also, so let Pastor Ike tell me, do Yashua rule in China? Also, this was Yashua. We about to rule China and so on.
Okay, or rule China. Go China, sorry.
So, sorry, sorry. I say, Adam is making sense, but why don't you, pastors, understand with all due respect, common sense? Also, on China, say, as of from common sense, still up to date. When you're I say the person don't have anything to say or to prove. They are just beating about the bush. Yes, it and some okay na baby cry family ajema ono so dia o de ba no be pacho ba na eba ameko so
Yes, be the Gideon. Abraham Mesianada. But
and we sham
and then Mesiano.
and then you miss your meter.
Oh, on nam atale kra. Oh, kra. Me on na watale kura. What do you ever say the whole Ghana will be able to use common sense. So why common sense no be the obi obi a common sense. Oh ma yira. Put you pa bisam o yira ma. It obi be use common sense. So be use common sense the and yira be use. Onu so be use ne de. O common sense nti obi common sense. Nti e fa so ma le yire. Tom money so won fufuo no be do fie. Now the years my brother move for one, and then the best of you. What do you want to say? The whole Ghana will be using the common sense. What? Chaos, every of man. It is a common sense. Be need rule and regulation. A control, science, and your friend is science. Bible come once. I know who create you. I started the dada. Now, go on, got what I didn't manipa. But that common sense, and why your friend the common sense, say rules are madam one. Won't mean yes, because your friend says here. Na general me sense kira me say esa me for obi yere eya me sense na kira me o sense ne so to be creative money it be ko for obi yere ma ya den say me common sense na kira me say me sense na kira me say me ba anya o bra na me ba o ko to ko ti si bi na pese me tena se yie pa but man tena se kra do baby o no yira na me hu baby o pese woni si say ya fa ya me say yo so onye me say no me hu do o pa cha
no pa che say Joshua no onye de me
what is the reason is say we go to Luke chapter 2 say yeah Joseph kra no na o ware Mary no ne nana e na Yesu ne ko dai a wana ka Joseph ware Mary ono aka ye for example dibra kana dibra didi o awu wo de wo ye pinto ye pressure black come on Luke 2:5 Luke 2 verse 5 wa kama no wante say Mary ampani ampase no ye Joseph ira on kana ente
Luke 2:5 he went to register with Mary who was promised in marriage to him.
I said who was what promise your promise and now what here I have been taught what is a year
me ba man bisa
oh nya mo kasa man kasa
e na foko ja
e no ba aye se yere ma promise ni sama ware no
So say me.
wa promise ni sama ware no
ti bi se pasa foko ja
nya mo na ya promise ni ko ja na yan tell dem ma ba no yan tell dem ma ba but you on na mo kra de aye ko asem kra tie aye betrothed ni tire se aye se yere se o pese o wa no obi no akoma na papa sika say oh asibe sinyira na ware no na bi a obete na wanye mu a umbisa kije nyese wo yina wo pay black price wo bete na ofie woni babu na yenche no babu aza 58 wo say ehwan aza 53 wo say ehwan aza kan aza 53 message ni aza ya even the concept na wo even the offer Judaism ya ama pai sa quotation anka so mu pai se mieru obi say Isaiah ebi so yoman and no ko kira okosia na harabi bia rabbi ne say ye dia ya yoman oso konkan ne be kire ne say enya Isaiah ne ntumi nya Isaiah so da opa ma ye bre ni yen ko the Messiah prophecy ni yen fa to verse by verse on ntumi ben ho ba bia bra bamba kete abere bi swa we swa kama na no heba bulu
Isaiah chapter 53 verse 8
mama bunga sama
so what the abudan any atemo ye ne ko ye
was what the ahudan
Any atemu eyi no kwa. Authority for nyina ni mu se. Wo bi ntumi wu mo bi da. Nti so se wo ya Isaiah. Ade ti na wo de ahuda yi no ko won. Kwa
Was it? Was it never so for so?
Never so for.
Why now again?
Why not doing home?
Some of you know every attack.
Isaiah free free as you free as. Isaiah wa ira. Isaiah free no you free no ko so. Was it you never so for no bi no woni say you shim no free as.
Was na ne man emra 20.
Yeah, was it ne man mra. Was it ne man mra to kan you man.
Was it? Was na me man emra 20.
Was it ne man into one na kasa. As I say, I say me mind into this verse. I control the both concept in that say Isaiah and Isaiah Israel. I control here because Isaiah I say me mind marato into no mind marato. I think you just send me pano into a you be one. Dear, after the year Bible no. Do for you Nigeria say. Mezan, authority for you Nigeria say Mezan in mind. But I day and omega blood sacrifice, animal sacrifice. I didn't know omega. Omega say because only temple. Abraham started sacrifice, now there is no temple. David no started so that no mini temple, but no more sacrifice.
Obviously, my country also has a very pastor. Only proof here.
Oh, no, no, proof.
Also, has a very
I get proof of who is the very pastor. I'm not to baby. I'm not going to attend. When you're going to attend. Common sense for you now, you got some of them momena or two for you when the common sense. Yes, why are we not from common sense?
Okay.
Why are we not from common sense?
Well, I could take that.
Oh, sir.
Because I know last week.
You call second code you could do. Where do you say you coach? When we couldn't catch up with my code, you could do.
Verse number 26.
See how prophecy near was saying, my Agrippa. Agrippa is Israel, you know, Prince, I know, Messiah of Israel. This is a fully Hong Kong. So many baby 70 years. After 70 years, and many Messiah. How about the Joan? What's the way I can Messiah? Messiah, not by the course what I said. You bet you are sorry die. You have a degree, say you bet you are sorry die. You do not sorry die, you are best. Yes, you are Messiah never. Messiah never, you best say Jubio, 80-70. Romans were led by General Titus, Echo Jerusalem. After to death, you see you. It is in between that period. Now say Messiah no Maya. What is the come on, I know, come on, I can run your man. So the Bible prophecy, Pano Maria Bible, it's now. Who to if when break when Koran about to them to the woman.
Okay. That's
Sabra natural.
Okay.
Obeka dia wasana tena.
What's what big chat here? What's that verse 25 and come pay?
Enti mu say.
I say we say.
Free asama e kasa.
Was it every the decree? I the decree say.
Wọ́n sẹ́ teach Jerusalem.
Wọ́n sẹ́ teach Jerusalem.
Yes, na na mu so.
Na tell us Abraham no more Jerusalem. It is your beheading. Yes, I bet chichare. Anya sa. Na tell say your bet chichare. Why na do here? I na Nebuchadnezzar first. Ana why ya?
Ẹni kò sí ọ̀bìnrin a wasra no so.
What the kò sí ọ̀bìnrin a wasra no so de anointed one. I am fearing from anya sa. It is 7 year period. Any any my attend kwa so desire. It will be say any Messiah no ba no. Adentina one Jesus la fon kwa ana na manam for kan. He unim Bible mu. The period that you chamba Messiah no so won bi ansa na wakama na mam.
Me da se answer wa come me fa message we nkema no so. Me fa nkema na me komi ya ona on fa ka to so na and then e be kon wa so ntem. Se na bia usu benya kwan na wa ba su bia mane 93.3 megahertz no so utie. Twen se se na mo so fo. Matras ya me de ebre o be bia o bia me pa talk. Duma de we no. Ye hwie yo. Ye to so. Na this year 2019 me say en so ko ga na say o si egum. O de o se mi hiti sana na ahemfo. No, I'm also my yamete me ni combo. Ta no kra me ni bi. Nti o bete me a ayi so okum. Ma me fa message we ntwem. Na afi me komi ni ona on fa kra enfa so enfa ema me. We say so for not Abraham nchen. I said the pastor are wasting precious time, especially the one closer to Gabon.
Ono no say break.
What time no? We say me kan Abraham say Abraham unima me ka kira o King Genesis chapter 1 verse number 26. Kese okon ma wakenkan ni na na when so no I say I am from the non for so man why or say hello, this is Richie from Anya City, Sabah City. Okay, if there is a problem with the Bible, as Abraham suggests, then who or what does he believe in? Because I say Ujidi Nedi. Or say Bible, or say fourth problem more, and then Ujidi. And also no, Mr. Obeyi, I know at the Amam. About Trustman.
Yo, one said, Mestre, say, you say BBC, I will be here time.
Papa.
Here because say we Kasa, you can know, and my dear Sipi. Jesus, your Messiah, Seminole. I've done so many thousands of years. The person disprove I was here in your point. We saw the point to Esisua, also in your time. Opening all 7 years to Isaiah chapter 53. What do you next week? Yen treaty say, who is the suffering servant in Isaiah 53? Yen Nonkwa, Yen Brekakra. One say, Okotu verse 8, verse 10. Verse 10 so change the pants and the panel womma, not change Jesus as a firstborn. Isaiah chapter 53, kind verse 10.
Isaiah 53.
Opening Yabotan, kind.
Osi eso Ewurade ni say.
Osi eso Ewurade ni say.
Odwa de body ade.
Odwa de body ade.
Na so nya de craft ye asodiafo ye.
Onya de ne kra to ho say sa nipa ni wo no wu ye no explanation ho e de to ye asodiafo de a.
Obe mu asefo.
Kind bro for no he. Kind. Ose na che. Won say me kata me ba mama. Descendant kind. Verse 10. The Lord says
it was my will that
he should suffer.
He
should make a prophecy. A past tense. He should. Oh, change. Oh, Isaiah 53. And your past tense, verse 1. Me see change, verse 1.
The people replied.
The people reply. It's Isaiah 53. No, the book of Isaiah. Any Isaiah and Kwan Troy. Nobody is so stupid to kill the golden goose that lays the golden egg. Do you say Jimmy? Na yanko pass man baba na mati asole nine one day make Jimmy me go asole no onfiri yanko. I am not stupid. I know what I'm talking about. Isaiah 53 the nation of Israel till you are the third Isaiah nipa miensa na try. What's that? Focus on the Casano was in the year didn't work as I did. Isaiah 53, Isaiah was a reported speech. Once I said the people replied, it's an statue Isaiah 52, and that was what Mama see. A past tense. And your future, and yet a prophecy is a prediction of the future. Never say, and in the days to come, it shall come to future. Where your past tense kind.
The people replied. Who would have believed what we now report?
Who would have believed what we now report?
Who could have seen the Lord's hand in this?
Who could have seen the Lord's hand in this?
It was the will of the Lord that.
It was the will of the Lord that
his servant
should
grow like a plant. Taking root in the dry ground. He had no dignity. He
had no dignity or beauty.
To make us take notice of him.
To make us take notice of him.
There was nothing attractive about him.
There was nothing attractive. There was past tense your tom. I didn't see that. Maybe my point. Yeah, come Messiah prophecy or say Messiah. It took up verse 10. Nipani wamba. Opening Messiah prophecy Jesus is fulfilling. So Jesus is Messiah. Isaiah chapter 11. And the Messiah no obano. This one is on your hand. The Messiah must be a king like King David. Or but not David. So even the book of Luke. It's in the book of Luke, no. On what Luke in the Old Testament, no. Or Shankom, Jesus is praying to me for feeling. Luke 1, verse 26. Luke 1:26. Or Beshankom, Jesus have more Bianca say yes, you are here. No, Jesus and Casa will be friend or him or rejecting him being a king. Kind of
Luke 1:26.
Luke 1 say, or you know, Ribo or Sa, yes, you are one of kind of
yes, I want to come say.
Now, I saw for it here. Oh, but I could remember the concept of second coming. Say Messiah and the Beba. Now we're woo, now we're solid, now we're crabber. Open Beba. Omunche me bia wo Old Testament say Messiah no. Obewu 3 days later no was solid. E wo Bible no. Second coming. Enim.
I'm saying when I see the grade.
Oh, make a point where you. Okay, see anya sa e make sense.
First man.
But okay.
Na bosu doesn't in simu no.
That's not here no okay. Luke 1:26
Na bosu doesn't in simu.
Open o se bosu e to so nsia no.
Na post for Gabriel eko Galilea Krobi.
Eko Galilea Krobi. Aye from Nazareth mu.
Baba bi odd number obrem bi of Joseph. Ah of David ebusun ode.
Kan ko point no.
Verse number 31.
Job for the verse 31.
mistake
obey kese
na obofo say
obofo de ka say ensuro Maria
na wonya Nyankopon adom
wonya Nyankopon adom na obofo de kasa wo prophecy go obofo no be hye nkonfoforo kan na hye ubenyinsɛn
na wo obabarima
wo obabema
na watu di Yesu
ubetu di Yesu
na obe kese
akoda Jesus be ye kese
wa friend wo so ne ba
na ya friend de wo so ne ba
le renya Nyankopon de David ahimwa be ma no
na ewurade Nyankopon de neja David ahimwa be ye de be ma no ne se Jesus wo ba no oba be na David ekonwa so ampa Messiah no also tell David ekonwa so according to Judaism Jesus by but odingene te say David Jesus indigene but ohwade eduru ba bi anka Israel for kra ko Jesus so medigene e no dwane na we gwan any look ofeni ya more points na make sense
okay emnelusa no etiefo last week almost say ya more
etiefo dabio etiefo no yen kasa no mo mi ebehia sen so be mo time kakra na yen make point because
me go last point not so for person making last
okay mami conclude wa Messiah ni betra David ekonwa so e wo Jeremiah chapter 23 wo ho even Isaiah 11 Messiah ni come show say Jesus for failure one yem ba kwa Isaiah chapter 11 on back say second coming him for the second coming obi quote to second coming of the Messiah e wo Old Testament me inform insan ka Bible bio second coming o konya no etikan we
John 6:14.
John 6 verse 14. Na afei.
Edipo hu se chena Yesu oye no.
Oni miracle ya ekofo ne je. Di omo so di brodo mienu ene enam 5. Efidi nipa 5000. Ena se si ye di akofo ka se akwa we. So to me di brodo mienu ne enam 5 efidi nipa 5000 dia. Wodi gini ya ye nya adwuma na be di free. And so because obi apampu cheche. Omu di Jesus ya ye no. Yes. What can say? Ampa.
Odifo go yas no die.
Odifo bi no be ba no woni e.
Na Yesu ehu so be fa no ahye no.
Yesu hu say ye be fa no ahye no.
Na ko si hiniti.
Ye hu say na aba no. Ye ko fa ne be big niti. Papa e no balance. Wa gbani afei okojina pilot ye ni. Ye ko bo na sendie. Ye be bisa Jesus say oyo hene. Ha na obi entie no. E John chapter 18 verse 33 kana be.
John 18.
Say Jesus you hene. Onu abada Jesus so onyo hene. It for no hene big mistake. Kan.
John 18.
The Christopher hene for say na mo hene mienu. Mo ewurade kra mienu, ohene mienu. Nyankopon yo hene ne ba no so yo hene. Kana be.
E na Plato shene amrado aben mu biom.
E na pilot shene amrado aben mu biom.
Na ofre Yesu esense.
E na ofre bra Jesus. E no bisa de say.
Only Judah for ina na.
Simple question. Only Judah for hene na na.
Yesu ebon say.
E na Jesus e bisa de say.
If you want to know kan we.
When ya no, if you wa wutim na wo kan we.
Na se ni pe bi na kan wa sam chire.
Ana wo bi na kan me ho asem chire.
Na Plato ebon say.
E na pilot bisa bra Jesus say.
Ni ebi ni ana.
Common sense me bi bisa question. Bi le ju ni.
Wa manfo.
Wa wo kromfo.
Ni asofo peni.
Any asofo mpanyin. E na do bre ni.
Ye de na wo ye.
E de na ye.
Yesu ebon say.
E na Jesus bu ase.
Ma ni inferior.
Ma hini ti ao. Me ba cho David ahini inferior ase. David ahini anya wi ase. Because Jesus dey hini spiritually. Mo say Nyankopon yo hini spiritually. Manu si time ni so ba cho kan. Me quote Bible verses. Eti dia me kan na wunyi na Bible na wunyi.
Ma me tire mu ntire we.
Na be checha na mba. E na committee for na wo checha mu ntie. Mam opi obey discipline in share wa ha. So ba cho kan.
Yesu ebon say.
E na Jesus bu ase.
Ma ni inferior.
Na hini na free wi ase. David ahini anya wi ase ahini. Enti to aso e.
Na se ma ni inferior ase.
Na se ma hini na free wi ase a.
Anka ma so for be kon.
Anka bi soldiers be kon.
Wa for me shit.
Eti Jesus say so his spiritual king afa to aso.
Na se ma ni inferior.
Na so be Jesus ma hini enfri ha.
E na Plato say.
Eti pilot te say oni hini wo wi ase. E na pilot bi say say.
Na yo hene no.
Hey master, now you are hene no.
Yesu ebon say.
E na Jesus bu ase.
Una o kase bi yo hene.
Wona wo kasa be yo hene ne ba ha maka na na asem. Wa hene no gwane no. Na we gwan.
2 minutes.
Oh master, no need time. Chale. Some dey there 4 hours brother.
John say I don't know what Jimmy no. Na what Jimmy gini gini ma wo tumi say wo ye wo Nyankopon emma. Me ba je fa me ko 1 Corinthians chapter 17.
1 Corinthians chapter. Who did you go to? Hello? Oh, what's me na so me ba so.
Come on, tell me.
Ba so ofra na ba du do de kakra e de ma.
First Corinthians chapter 1 verse 17.
Come on, tell me.
Sia send me one senka.
Ko
Na Christians man say me na
Christians man say me bosu.
Nemo.
Say
me meka asem.
me meka asem ba.
Me ba so udi do go to. Hey, and then him say,
come on.
Ba trust go. Ko na say me line. Ko
Nemo say me meka asem pa. Yenya
me
sa
ba so udi do go to. Oh, what is my video over there? Hey, me ba so million is one million.
Oh, and then Mundian no credit. And never the Abraham Mundian and then the man that the teacher man was woman talk on that.
Na Christos man say me boss ko e mo say me kan sem pa enya nsasem kra
enye wiase nye nsasem o
e ba so we dey go na bia no anye kwa
na mo anase da bia Kristo ase no enye kwa
we dey go na bi e ba so dey go na bi line na jam rough
Doctor, program every day. I want to the family call. I say, see a summer time.
I'm on through home. Okay, and then you close the line. But I said,
come on, come.
na asem ya no asem
na asem ya no asem
e yankwasi asem
wona wayera
ko ne Nyankopon tumi
na eye wo Nyankopon tumi
e ma ye na woje ya
na wona woje ya nkwa de ko se free se watch se
mese nyansafo nyansa
mese wiasefo nyansa common sense
we dey go le ba so ko le ba so entende so wa Matthias here, Papa. Point is well noted. You, but I say, when you take point.
Nia me pesa me kan say you gidi wo ya so hamahiem. Say dey ya nua Abraham owo we na that kon what you say. We know the source. But I know so we gidi wo. Me ba to boss. Me ba to odi me go boss. Me pesa me bra point wo na me kire wo.
Odi me go zafi. Odi me go zafi. Don't make kwa binya me ba to maron ko.
Okay, okay, yeah, I'm sure.
Yes.
Yo, me joso.
Question about conversation is I saw before now, or more kind of issue. Messiah, and then this is some question about. Won't you have Mark 16, read 16 to 18.
Okay, that's it. And then Yamba for miracle. Next time, a different topic. That's it. It's you. I was saying, friend Bessia, not my one comment. Not a fake. Okay,
Mark can go this.
What's on your safari?
On your safari.
Or trap forward.
Na trap forward.
We are sitting you for.
We are sitting you for no way.
That's it. But you see,
still. Who say? To me, we are Tumi mienu na wo wiase Onyankopon tumi ne obonsam tumi na edi ato na se de be ye na ebehunu de free papa na ewo mu no obi am na class na onsun frɛ de obo so ne asase no do bi adwem no hunu dia also
well done Emmanuel and then that's it
One thing is when me say comedy bi but you see a person you ade pa no I think say yam pebre ne you ade ni ene mo de bebo because time no shakra because he say be bro I am growing with I can say yen ko bible mu pa we okay ni na anu ye simple kra
that's it omeni smaba ko na ye so so
be dia dia brand nisha
you respond this the brand nisha bet me na more time okay e ba na masi amanye 93.3 megahertz on super utira ha ene yedi musie twere afọ ya adoma next week e be sign about wa pan so fe paper to in here sponsors ndi be owo bia no o frem ya me betimi aba me na obetena ho edi mu enkomo enu mosi na se wanti me ka be ma di dem asore etwa so na pro bia na